Up, up. Yeah, it feels like I need to go down a little bit. You sure you don't want to feel it? Okay. Because this is the light one. We cannot pull it straight. Oh, bit scary. Because this is only light line, so it's coming. Come on, just come up. We wanna see you. It's coming. Come on, come on. Oh yes, golden. Yeah, it's the hard part.
You need a hang?
No, it's fine. I think still fighting. Yeah. Up. There you go. Yeah, you're mine. There you go. Phew. Yeah. Got it. Soup. It's good for soup.
What sort of fish is it?
Golden Trevally.
Stop.
Trevally.
Stop.
Okay.
Catching a fish is alright, but all this stardom, isn't it?
Yeah. I couldn't run. Thank you.
Okay, Kevin, just come up and I'll get a good photo of you.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're right into the sun.
Yeah.
So it's not that good light for you here.
No.
Good for
Yeah,
soup
Yeah, go over there.
and vegetable.
Vegetable soup? Oh,
Yeah.
That's the way. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good shot.
Soup.
Good job,
Yeah.
Kevin. Bring the bucket down.
Oh yeah, I'll get it. See, I told you.
Yeah, okay. Well,
Maybe there's more in there. Maybe it's time to check the last one over there. This is the hard part when it's light. Oh look, I nearly lost it.
he went across a rock.
Yeah, right?
You're very lucky, Kevin. Good job.
Don't let it go.
Try not to.
No, you need to set the hook first, Uncle Bruce.
He's set.
Is set?
Yep.
Okay, okay. Do the fight then. Stay there, stay there. Do the fight. Come on, Uncle Bruce. Don't get it slack. Don't let it slack. I think that's the one from the beginning.
Yep.
The one taking your bait.
Let's go around the rocks. Here he comes. Yep, Trevally.
Oh, golden again.
Yep.
Easy when you have a heavy line.
Yep.
You need the help landing it, or you can do it.
Oh, no.
Don't let it slack because the hook is just,
I can see.
it's just oh, don't let it slack, Uncle Bruce. Lift the line, please. Up, that's it. Don't too much, not too much. Now it will break. You need to land it because it's your fish.
Thank you, Kevin.
Oh, don't let it go to the water. Hey, Uncle Bruce, don't do that, please. I think yours is much bigger. Wait. Here you go. All right, you grab the tail.
Hey.
Grab the tail.
Yep.
I got the rod
Okay.
on the top.
Yep.
Grab the tail. Never let it go. Never let it go. Oh, Uncle Bruce, don't let it go. Oh, look, the hook is like.
Just in.
Don't let it go. Don't let it go. I got the.
My foot's stuck.
Yeah. Oh, don't let it go. Never let it go. Hang on. I got the right. Oh, Uncle Bruce, just hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. You can. Hang on. I'll get the rod. There you go. You go. I got the rod. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. That's it. That's the one. That's the one. Okay.
Yep.
All right. Nice. Oh my God, you're lucky. Look at the hook.
Yep.
My goodness. Oh. I got
Move over camera. It's alright.
Okay. Now you need to hold the rod and the fish for you might need to move here.
Yeah.
For best photo.
Yep. Wow.
Nearly. See? Lucky.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, hold the rod.
Hang on.
Very lucky.
Very lucky.
We're both lucky. Okay. You hold forward to me like you're raise your hand.
another way.
Yeah. There. Beautiful. Okay. A bit lower. Your face is covered. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Well done, Kevin.
Let's put the hook back.
Can you see if I can.
Okay. Let's remove the hook. Let's hold it tight. Oh. Yeah. Just fix your phone first. Maybe there's more in there.
Well, I'm happy just with that one, mate. I tell you, that's